Bitcoin technical analysis is available right now. Ferrari's now accepting payment in Bitcoin, and Caroline Ellison speaks on the FTX Binance war. For more information on the SBF fried news, make sure you stick around till the end of the video. But let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So firstly, we got this post from the Bitcoin therapist. We'll never stop buying hashtag Bitcoin. 2022, spending every dollar I have on Bitcoin. 2023, when Bitcoin is a $10 million coin. Yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Fingers crossing, hoping we get there, hoping it comes fast. I'm trying to be home or blinged out with, I got these chains. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, these are cheap ass chains, but hey, I'm gonna be like Homer with some gold pearls on my neck. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm trying to get to. When Bitcoin is $10 million a coin, the dollar is worthless. Truth. Agreed. Bitcoin explained like you're in 5th grade. This is a fantastic video. It is 10 minutes long. I just wanted to include this video because although it's explained in a kind of a basic sense, it does get really, does a really good job of explaining it. And sometimes it's important for us as investors, as anybody trying to learn any sort of market, to kind of revisit the basics every once in a while and redevelop your understanding from its core to make sure that the base foundation of understanding you have on how the coin works is up to par. So absolutely amazing. Essentially, Swallow Team kind of summarized the whole thing. Bitcoin is like digital money. It's not real money, but you can use it to buy things online. Yeah, we'll get to a point where we'll start being able to buy things in person regardless. So with this video, share this to people share this to people. If we bring more people into the cryptocurrency, specifically the Bitcoin environment in the community, it's only going to help us grow and help us create a future with a decentralized finance. So guys, absolutely check out this post by Documenting Bitcoin. This was a TED Talk by George Donovan. Absolutely amazing video. Great explanation. So next we got a post from Max Keiser. He was replying to right here. I'll go through the thread a bit here. So they're kind of talking. He's talking about Salvadoran coffee is better than cannabis and promoting health and well-being. Come and verify. Very interesting take by Max. But he said LG had to respond saying the problem with hashtag El Salvador is that the entire country's prosperity is on one man's shoulder. What happens when he's gone or taken now? Max suggests that every one of the 7 million Salvadorans will have hashtag Bitcoin notes to ensure their country never goes backwards. This is a project we're working on right now. Shout out to Max Keiser, and I agree with him. I think once what's it called, once we get to that point, it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I'm shout out to all the Salvadorans out there. I know it's been a tough time for them, but praying for you guys, and I think Bitcoin might help them with a lot of the problems they are facing. So let's get into some of these articles. So this article I was talking about in the beginning, Caroline Ellison speaks on the FTX Binance war. ICC won't appeal Grayscale BTC ETF. Hodler's Digest, October 8th to 14th. So Caroline Ellison, former CEO of Alameda Research, testified for over 10 hours this week at Sam Bankman-Fried's trial, offering deeper. Okay, hold on. Before I continue, is it Fried or Freed? Guys, let me know in the comments. I think it's Freed. Trial, offering deeper details on the events that anticipated the FTX debacle in November 2022. From Ellison's testimony, jurors learned that she planned to leave Alameda months before its collapse, but feared a bank run on FTX amidst the crypto market downturn. The week also featured a recording presented as evidence in the case showing that the exact moment Ellison told employees about Alameda's use of FTX customer deposits. Among the key moments of Bankman-Fried's trial were revelations of fabricated balance sheets in order to deceive crypto lenders, as well as BlockFi CEO Zach Prince's testimony. Check out this week's highlights. Feel free to check out this link. This is from Cointelegraph. If you're trying to find this article, I'm sure if you just search this with Cointelegraph, you'll be able to find it. If not, let me know in case you guys want more details on it. Sam Bankman-Fried blamed Binance for balance sheet leak to media. Core evidence. Months before the collapse of the crypto exchange, FTX former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was freaking out about buying shares in Snapchat, raising capital from the Saudi royalty, and getting regulators to crack down on rival crypto exchange Binance. According to evidence presented in the court this week as a part of the ongoing criminal trial, Bankman-Fried believed Binance leaked an Alameda balance sheet to the media in 2022. According to a document from November 6, 2022, 2022, Bankman-Fried wrote that Binance had been engaging in PR campaign against us. It continued saying that Binance leaked a balance sheet blogged about it, fed it to CoinDesk, then announced very publicly that we're selling 500 million of FTT in response to it, while telling customers to be wary of FTX. Absolutely insane. So, in case you guys don't know, Sam Bankman-Fried was running the crypto exchange FTX, and he was using customer assets and selling those to keep Bitcoin under $20 million. So it's absolutely insane that they would do that, and honestly depressing. So I think it kind of really goes to show to you that these kind of things, if they do happen within the cryptocurrency market, it's not going to last long. It really isn't. I mean, this is the whole reason why cryptocurrency exists, is so that it can't be centralized, right? And this is what Bankman was trying to do, which is absolutely disgusting. Shame on him. Shame on him for that. SEC reportedly won't appeal court decision on Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. The United States Security and Exchange Commission repeatedly has no plan to appeal the recent court decision that favored Grayscale investments. The ruling requires the SEC to review the firm's spot Bitcoin exchange traded ETF application. This SEC's supposed decision not to appeal doesn't necessarily mean Grayscale's application is set to be approved. If the reports are true, the SEC will need to follow the court's August order and review Grayscale's application to change its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. Absolutely insane, guys. Next article we have here is Bitcoin Ethereum technical analysis. Bitcoin falls on Saturday, following a brief spell above $27,000. So let's get right into it. Bitcoin retreated below the $27,000 level to start the weekend after a late surge in price on Friday, following a low of $26,686.32 earlier in the Friday session. Bitcoin USD peaked at a high of $27,092.70 as the day progressed, although Bitcoin has since slipped and is currently trading at $26,866.74. It is still higher than yesterday's bottom. So we can hear this is today's bottom. This is today's bottom right here, and this is yesterday's bottom right there. So the consolidation comes at the relative strength index RSI continues to hover above a floor of at the 45.00 mark, whilst now tracking at 46.72. The next target is likely to be at the ceiling of 50 RSI, and if hit, Bitcoin will be back above $27,000. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get to that point. Overall, Bitcoin is trading 4% lower at the same point last week, which is so sad to see, but we're going to see a huge update. The rest of the article kind of goes into Ethereum and talks about some other stuff, but here is a chart for any of you guys who are interested in looking at this, which should be all of you guys, because you guys need to be making your own financial decisions. Hold up, let me put my camera back on for this. I am not giving any financial advice. Anything I say is my financial opinion or just a relay of information. This is just me. This project I'm making these channels and these videos for is just me trying to bring most up-to-date and current news on crypto to benefit the crypto community. I'm by no means an analyst. I don't really know, like, I mean, I know my stuff, but I don't know a lot about this stuff. I can't get you in the nitty-gritty of it, so I'm not trying to give any financial advice. I just want to be giving financial information in terms of what these articles are saying, just the news and reports that we're seeing. Granted, my main goal is to create a community, because with a community, you don't even need to know too much. We'll all be successful. Anyways, here's a chart for you guys. Sorry, I turned my camera back on, but they're talking about the dip yesterday and the dip today, or the low today, the floor yesterday and the floor today. So you guys can take a look at that. Now, Ferrari now accepts payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And I kind of got into this in my XRP channel as well, but we'll go back over this because it continues and includes Bitcoin as well. Essentially, what it's saying is now Ferrari is taking payments in Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum, which is insane, absolutely insane. So this is fantastic and amazing. We're gonna see a huge change. People are gonna start moving towards this, and as you're seeing more companies kind of being able to accept XRP for its services and its products, especially physical products, it's really gonna change the game. Because there's one thing to buy a service with crypto and stuff like that. The thing that's going to really sell people who have been kind of avoiding crypto and Bitcoin as a whole is that it doesn't seem real to them. They can't conceptualize the arbitrariness of it, or not arbitrariness of it, but the no physicalness of it, right? When you're looking at money in your bank, you can picture the amount of dollars in cash, right, in your hand, or laid out, or whatever it may be. It makes it easier for people to understand what these numbers mean. And I think a lot of people don't just have trouble with this because they don't know what these numbers mean. So by having physical products, it will allow people to have engaged the price and how it works a lot better. Absolutely great news from Ferrari today. But guys, that's all we had today. Some very important information. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys didn't miss out on anything. And if there's anything you felt like I missed in terms of Bitcoin news for today, please drop a comment and let me know. And also, guys, these videos are not monetized, so please like, subscribe, and share. It would mean the world to me. I'm really trying to develop a community here and something that we can all benefit off of. So until the next video, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and good luck trading.